Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Yudi Prasetyo. I am from Industrial Engineering student in Keranggan, Bekasi. I am from Group 6 who will explain in article with the title Automation and Robotic. Introduction. The goal of industrial robot is general purpose, programmable machine processing and correcting automotive properties. The most classic automotive or human-like characteristic of a robot is arm. This, together with the robot capacity to be programmed, make it ideally suited to various variety of product tasks, including machine loading, spot welding, spray painting, and assembling. The robot can be programmed to perform a sequence of mechanical mission, and I can report the most string over the anti-programmed to perform some other job. Features. Number 1. The most apparent human-like feature of an industrial robot is a mechanical arm and manipulator. 2. Robot can perform variety of tasks such as loading and unloading machine tools, spot welding, automobile body, and spray painting. 3. Robots are the generally suitable for human worker is task. 4. The mechanical manipulator contact of joint links to setting on the end of puppeteer manipulator compensating to its base. 5. The control play joint is a control mode set up work cycle. 6. A robot joint similar to body joint in relative movement between two parts of the body. 7. Usually in the industry robot have 5 or 6 joint puppeteer manipulator joint character as line on routing.
Industry robot as the other modern manufacturing system are advanced automation system that enter the computer as an integral part of the control. Computer are the automation that run production line and controls an alien manufacturing arrangement dengan various machine tool, welder, inspection system, and less beam cutter. Furthermore, they are the new robot to perform various operations in industrial plant and partition for automation of factories. Automation. The word automation is obtained from Greek word autosave and mesh or moving. Automation is the design for setup with process by itself, although it is from the original sense of the word. Automated system has achieved superior performance than what is possible with manual system in terms of power, precision, and speed of operation. Definition of automation. Automation is a set of technology that outcome in operation of machine and system without significant human intervention and achieve performance superior to manual operation. Automation is generally regarded as being able to be divided into two types. Type 1, fixed automation, and 2, flexible automation. Fixed automation is when the volume of production is very direct and is therefore convenient to design specialist equipment to process product at high rate and low cost. And flexible automation, the most suitable for the main volume production line, typically consists of a series of workstations that are interconnected by material handling and store apparatus. The process technique, production configuration, and the same team to control manufacturing system and flexible manufacturing system, computer internet manufacturing, autonomous robot. Control of autonomous robot include a number of such tasks. Understand and modeling of the structure, the kinematic, dynamic, and odometer. Autonomous robot reliable control the actuator. Autonomous robot air plus love control. Generation of the specific motion. Autonomous robots follow path planning. Autonomous robots have interaction of sensor. Autonomous robots have selection and interfacing of various kind of sensor. It can coping with noise on uncertainty. Creation of flexible control voice control has to deal with new situation.
Traditional industrial robot. This type of robot uses robot arm and largely highly per computed motion. This type of programming using teachbox. Traditional industrial robot uses repetitive tasks. Traditional industrial robot have high speed. Traditional industrial robot have few sensing operation. Pre-planned trajectories and task policy size. no interaction with human. Application of robotic. Need to replace human labor by robots. Work environment dangerous for human beings. The repetitive tasks, boring and annoying tasks, multi-shift operation, and frequent transition, performing of steady footstep, operation for extensive hours without rest, responding in automated operation, minimizing variation. Industrial robot application can be divided in the material handling application, involve the motion of material or part from the one location to another. It includes palletizing or depalletizing, part replacement, machine loading and unloading, processing operation, require the robots to manipulate a special process tool as the end effectors. The application include earth welding, machining, spot welding, refining, spray painting, metal cutting, deburring, and polishing.
Introduce. My name Febri Anggara Putra. Here I will continue the presentation from my college. Assembly application, Intel part handling manipulation of a special tool and other automatic tasks and operation. Inspection operation requires the robot to position a work part to an inspection device. Tell the robot to manipulate a device or sensor to conduct the inspection. Material handling application, part placement, palletizing and depalletizing, machine loading and unloading, stocking and insert operation, part placement. The basic operation in this class is the relatively simple pick and place operation. This approach needs a low technology robot of the circular, cylindrical coordinate type. Only 2, 3 or 4 joints are required for most of the operation. Pneumatically powered robots are usually utilized depalletizing. The application needs full robot to stack parts one on top of the other, that is the palletize them, or the unity part by spare from the top one by one, that is deplete them. Machine loading, which the raw material are sustained into the machine without robot assistance.